How to use shipping calculator Allchinabuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use shipping calculator Allchinabuy. So basically, you just have to simply visit Allchinabuy, go to Allchinabuy website and navigate to the product page of the item you're interested in. Now look for the shipping calculator option on the product page. Locate the shipping calculator section. This is typically found near the product price or in the shipping information section. You just have to go to this up right here. Now enter your destination, select or enter your shipping country, and in some cases, you also may need to provide your postal zip code. Now, enter the product quantity. If you're purchasing multiple items, you may need to enter the quantity of the product you are purchasing. This helps the calculator estimate shipping based on total weight. Now, what you're going to do here is you just have to simply enter the information needed. So, view shipping options. After entering your destination and product quantity, the shipping calculator will display available shipping methods. This may include standard shipping, express shipping, economy shipping. Now select the preferred shipping method. Compare the options and select the one that best suits your needs in terms of cost and delivery time. You can see here the shipping calculator should give you estimated total cost, which includes the shipping fee on top of the product price. You can now proceed to check out if satisfied. So important notes, weight and size product. Shipping costs will vary depending on the weight, size, and destination of the product. International shipping, if shipping internationally, customs fees or taxes may not be included in the estimate, so check local regulations. Shipping methods, cheaper shipping methods may take longer to deliver, while express shipping may be more expensive but faster. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.